Many engineers can follow a tutorial to provision cloud infrastructure, but asked to dynamically defend architectural decisions under pressure, that foundation shatters. This interface is the Cloud AIOps Hub. It solves that gap by enforcing a strict progression. You build real infrastructure, and then you defend that work in an AI-graded interview. Looking at the lab catalog, users filter real-world environments based on their current engineering tier and target cloud provider to construct a precise learning path. By framing every practice lab as a professional deployment, the platform shifts the learning process from passive reading to active, verifiable execution. The process begins by establishing the foundation for the project. The documentation explicitly details the infrastructure components being built and the conceptual reasons they are necessary. Before opening the console, engineers review visual walkthroughs and real-world analogies to reinforce these core concepts. Next, the deployment is grounded in a business context. The engineer reviews a specific SaaS problem, the deployment requirements, and clear success criteria. Safety and precision are mandatory. The documentation outlines a rigorous pre-flight checklist, defining the tool versions and the exact IAM permissions needed to execute the lab. In the coding phase, engineers review and deploy the infrastructure as code files required to provision the environment. Completion must be proven. Users cannot bypass this screen. They are required to upload raw terminal outputs and console screenshots showing their resources are actively running. This unskippable pipeline ensures that no user can advance to the testing phase without definitively proving their code works in a live cloud environment. After the build is validated, the defense phase begins. A guided study sequence prepares the engineer for technical interrogation by reviewing key concepts like state management and initialization. The first objective check is a time-tracked technical quiz. This validates the user's grasp of the tooling and syntax before they face the AI. This is the final gauntlet. The AI-driven interview dynamically tests the user across multiple topics, forcing them to justify their specific architectural and security configurations. Passing this multi-layered defense guarantees the engineer isn't simply running copied scripts. They possess the deep systemic knowledge required of senior staff. Every step, quiz, and defense attempt is captured as telemetry on this dashboard, creating an objective historical record of technical capability. Observing specific completion durations alongside AI-graded scores exposes an engineer's true technical fluency, while pinpointing exact areas that need review. Ultimately, the Cloud AIOps Hub replaces subjective assumptions about technical skill with measurable, undeniable proof. It ensures an engineer is fully prepared to design, build, and defend production environments.